Good morning, Harrison. What train are we going to pick out? So many to decide from. Ooh, George and Gordon? And what do they both do? Gordon, isn't he an express train?
Yeah.
And?
George.
What does George do?
She works with other steamrollers.
Oh, steamrollers. So who does he work with? George works with Hector then? No.
Yeah.
Oh, he does?
Yeah, sure.
Who else would he work with? Jack? We have music for our video.
Ooh, and
Musical caboose. The end. Bye, Ty.
ooh, and
Say bye to Ty.
bye, Ty.
See you later.
See you later.